Hello friends, welcome back to the Nature Access Club. I am Wilson Raposo Olenek and I am a professional engineer in the state of California. And in this video, I'll share my perspective of the government career path in civil engineering. This video is for you if you are considering the government career path, either coming out of college or pivoting from one career path onto another. So if you're in the position of considering whether government career path is for you, ultimately choosing a career path is no easy decision. So I hope that this video gives you an idea of what this career path has to offer, along with some pros and some cons, so that you can make an informed decision for which career path to take. So without further ado, let's jump into it. My first job out of college was at a local city agency that was in charge of managing the design and construction of multiple infrastructure projects throughout New York City. And this is exactly what engineers in government do. They supervise and manage the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure projects such as roads, highways, drainage systems, bridges. The list goes on, all for the benefit of the public and its safety. These are agencies such as the Department of Environmental Protection, Department of Transportation, Department of Parks and Recreation, and they exist at the local, state, and federal level throughout the United States. Working in government is a very unique path because it may require more than just a desire to be a civil engineer or work as a civil engineer. Most engineers in government have a genuine interest in helping local communities grow and are passionate about working in projects that better the lives of people in those local communities and give them more access to opportunities. From a career perspective, launching your career path will be a great option if you like to develop project management and coordination skills, as those will be the responsibilities that you'll have while working in government, as you'll get to manage large infrastructure projects at different stages in design, construction, or even maintenance afterwards. You'll aid in consultant and contractor procurement, establish project timelines, and help coordinate all of these infrastructure projects with local, state, and federal level city agencies to ensure that these infrastructure projects are in compliance with each respective agency's own regulations. And these are all skills that you can take anywhere as a civil engineer. Management and coordination are skills that you can apply to any career path. So in the future, if you want to start in government and move forward to another career path, those skills that you develop working in government can be transferred to any other career path. Therefore, working in government is a great opportunity if you want to develop those project management and coordination skills, learn about infrastructure projects, and make a difference in local communities. Some pros about working in government is that perhaps government is at the top of the list when it comes to job security and work-life balance. Most agencies or institutions in government offer a large number of holidays and paid time off, vacation days, and sick days that you can use as a benefit. And they also have a flexible schedule. When I worked in government, I believe it was 35 hours a week that I was working, 7 hours each day. It had a flexible starting time and leave accordingly in the afternoon with that same flexibility. So if you have side projects or other endeavors that you like to pursue outside of work at the end of your day, that's totally an option because you probably wouldn't be as overworked as you would in other career paths while working in government because of that flexibility that you have with starting times and working only 7 hours a day. Some cons about working in government is that perhaps the environment that you work in is a little bit laid back and there could be a tiny bit of bureaucracy when it comes to accessing opportunities in the workforce. And the reason I say that is because there may be some positions that have very strong requirements about how you qualify for certain position levels. Say that you need a minimum level of years of experience, or you may have a engineering license requirement that you probably don't have, and it will make it very challenging for you to qualify or be promoted as you go up the ladder if you don't meet those requirements. At the same time, because of the nature of the job, there's a lot of project managers that manage these infrastructure projects and may not be a professional engineer. So if you're still on your journey of becoming a professional engineer and still need that supervision of a professional engineer, that is something to think about, because then your supervisor, your manager may not be able to sign off on your applications as part of the application's requirements of experience. You have to be under the supervision of a professional engineer. So that's something to think about, as that may be the case, as it was my case. And you just have to find ways to get around that. Perhaps the supervisor of your supervisor is a professional engineer and is able to sign off on your applications, but it's something that you have to deal with. Or get ahead of. So just think about that. But I think that the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks of working in the government, so definitely consider it. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Nuclear Access Club for other similar content, and leave a comment down below with your questions. If you have any questions on other career paths or any comments that you may have about the government career path itself, make sure to drop that comment down below. Until the next time.